Hey, today we're gonna mow the field with Levi. Let's go! First, we gotta put on our boots.
Left foot. Okay, ready? Right. Left. Now we gotta tie it to the loops. Real tight. Get your boots on. Alright, let's go to the mower. Got a monkey. Ah. Whoa, Levi. Does this grass need mowed? Is it too tall? It's too tall. We should mow it. Okay, let's go. Bye, Mom. Grass is tall, Levi. We're gonna mow it. You know where the mower is? Where's it at? It's out. Mower. Levi, first, let's check the oil. Here's the dipstick. Let's wipe it down first. Let's pull it out. First one, we wipe it off. Put it in there. Let's check it. All right, it's right at the bottom. Probably can use a little more oil. Be okay for now. Let's check the gas. Yep, right here. That's where the gas goes in. Let's give it a shake. I see some gas. I think we're okay. You want to turn that back on? Turn it. Brake is up, so it's good. Brake has to be on, otherwise it won't start. Choke on. Now you turn the start hard.
Wow, look how tall that grass is. It definitely needs mowed. Look how easy it is for the zero turn to maneuver around those rabbit tractors. Wow, the mower's really fast. Round and round they go.
Get out. After we get done mowing, sometimes we get a little tired, and Levi's gonna go take a nap. And then he's gonna come back out after he wakes up and helps Daddy. I'll be back. All right, we finished the field. Good job, Levi. We've got a couple more spots to do, but that takes care of the big field. Was that fun? You even took a nap in the middle. Good job, buddy. Bye, see you next time.